pipe clamps are often the first long clamps added to a shop. They have a well-deserved reputation for being economical and versatile, if not very glamorous. Not surprisingly, it's BESSEY that's added new features to these old standbys to make them even more useful in the modern workspace. Pipe clamps are available to fit 1/2 or 3/4 inch black or galvanized steel plumbing pipe. Pipe clamps are economical because you buy just the jaw parts and add your own lengths of pipe. The head screws onto the threaded end, and the jaw is positioned along the pipe as needed. BESSEY's traditional style pipe clamps have a hex head at the handle to facilitate fast clamping when many clamps are used in one operation. This feature works both for mass production and for people with hand strength issues. Spring-loaded clutch plates allow the moving jaw to be positioned quickly and easily. Then engage the pipe securely to provide superior hold in use. They'll stay where put. The clamp parts can be rapidly swapped between pipes, so a few clamps and a few sections of pipe allow for setting up the perfect length for the job at hand. And the threaded pipe sections can be coupled together for extended reach, without needing to buy and store long pipes that'll seldom be used. This versatility is why even the most up-to-date shops still keep pipe clamps on hand. BESSEY has improved on the typical pipe clamp design with their H-style models. These feature tall, wide stance feet that stabilize the clamps, making them less prone to tipping over and easier to work with. The extended legs also provide extra clearance between the handle and the bench top, making them more convenient to use. The 1/2 inch H-series clamps offer a throat depth of 1.5 inch, while the 3/4 version measures 2 1/8 at the throat. The traditional pipe clamp design gets literally turned around in BESSEY's deep reach pipe clamps. The Acme screw on these is threaded through the movable jaw, and the head is fixed. This design allows for an extended throat depth of 2 1/2 inches to accommodate bigger jobs. Whether you reach for the traditional pipe clamps, the stable H-style, or the deep reach version, the rugged castings and multiple clutch plates, combined with your pipe sections, will prove to be reliable and versatile tools you can count on for glue-ups, holding parts during fastening, or whatever you need to keep together.